Hello guys, I am Amulya. Welcome back with a new video. This video we shall discuss about the Power BI dashboard. How to creating a Power BI dashboard using a simple data set. So let's start the video. This option is import data from Excel, and this is the import data from SQL server, and paste data in a blank tables, and this is the try sample data set. Today we shall discuss about this option, how to import a sample data set and creating a dashboard. So let's start the video. So now click this option, load sample data. The both sheets are same. Financial is converted to table, and this is the sheet 1. So I select this financial, then load. Now my data set is loading in Power BI. This is the data set. If I want to clear or modify some data, then we should go to transform data. This is the transform option. I should modify, remove, delete, or any other sense the data in this option. Segment content product has more duplicate value. For example, if I select the government, then okay, it is more than 300 times. But I want to keep the unique record and go to column option, right click, then add as a new query. Segment column is separated from existing table. Remove duplicate, and this column I want to convert the table, then to table. No need to click here, then okay. Column 1, I have changed this name, column 1 segment, then press enter. Then go to add columns. Now I have assigned the unique ID in particular field, then index column, then click from 1 is the index ID, government 1, mid market 2, channel partner 3, enterprise 4, small business 5 is the unique ID. Again I go to the financial, then go to country column, right click, add as new query. This column is also separate from the existing column. Right click this column name, then now go to remove duplicate, and this is also convert the table to table. No need to click here, then okay. Column 1, I have changed this name to country. I also assign the unique record for this column, then go to add column, then index column, then from 1. Again I go to financials and click the product column, add as new query. This column also separated from the existing column, and remove duplicate, to table convert. No need to changes here. Rename this column product ID, go to add column, then assign unique ID, then go to home option and click apply and close. I have uploaded only one table in Power BI dataset, but I have creating other 3 tables from existing table. Now I go to relationship model. This is the relationship. Every table has a unique record, so the relationship is created by itself. If I want to relationship, then delete this existing relationship. Right click this line and delete. So right click, delete, yes. If I want to again the relationship, create, select this particular record, then drag the line the other table, product ID and index. Already I have creating the relationship among the tables. Now we go to the report view. Now my dataset is completely ready for designing a report. Now I am creating a clustered column chart where display the country and unit chart. This is the clustered column chart. I have required the country field then unit show, then go to financial, then unit show. This is the unit show. Now I have required a line chart. This is the line chart. This is the line chart. I want to display the month-wise sale. Go to financial, then select the month, then y-axis display the unit show. This is the line chart. Now I am designing this chart. Click this chart, then go to format option. The color is light gray. Now I have changed this color to dark black. Then bold, increase the size to 10. Go to general option, then go to title. I have changed this title, country-wise sale, center. This is the font size, text color, blue. Then go to y-axis, title option is on, then close this title option, then y-axis is off. Go to general, effects, visual border. If you want to display the visual border, then visual border is on. Increase the size to 5 pt, then color is blue. Shadow. If you want to display the shadow, then enable this option. Now we want to display the data value, then go to visual, then data level. Data level option is enable. This is the value display. This is the position, inside and outside and inside center, inside base. Now I want to display the inside end. Color is black. Increase the font size to 11. Then click bold. The same option, I want to display this line chart. Click this chart, go to format painter, click this. Already 2 chart is prepared. Now I want to display some card value. This is the card. I want to display this card gross sale 127.93 million gross sale. Go to format option. Sum of gross sale is the category level. I have not to display this category level, so the category level option is off. Callout value. The size is 45. Then I have decreased it to 40. Then go to general option. Title is on. I have kept this title to gross sale. I want to display it center. Text color white, background color dark blue. Keep this size at 16. Then go to effect option. Visual border. Visual border is on. I have required shadow. This is the gross sale. Now I have copy this card and paste here. I want to display this card COGS 101.83 million. Since this title general COGS cost of goods sold, and copy this card and paste here. I want to display here profit. Change the title option general, then profit, and copy this and paste here. This card I want to display the discount. Change this title to discount. Okay, then my card is ready. If you want to change the color scheme, then go to view option, then select the color. This is the color scheme, and you may also import the theme or a gallery from your download drive. Then I want to change this theme. The background is white. Now I want to display the other theme. Then go to format, select the canvas setting, then go to browse. This is the PowerPoint designing slide. Now I want to display this background image. Decrease this search size. Now I want to all card in a group. Then select the all card. Go to format option and click group. Now I have required a date slicer. Then go to slicer option. This is the slicer. I want to display the slicer in date. This is the date hierarchy. Day field is not required for this slicer, so I have removed the day. This is the 2 years data, 2013 and 14. Gross sale 127.90 million. Cost of goods sold 101.80 million. Profit 16 million, and discount was 9.2 million. Then COGS profit and discounts are all plus. Then this is the gross sale 127.93 million. This is the 2 years data. If I select this 2014, then this data is displayed on the 2014. Suppose I have selected the Canada. In 2014, the gross sale in Canada 21.38 million, COGS 16.99 million, profit 2.73 million, and discount 1.67 million. Month-wise sales in Canada. If I click the Germany, then this is the Germany's data. All data are linked internally. So where I click, then all data are displayed separately. If I click the 2014, then I select the quarter-wise data. This is the quarter 1, January, February, March. I have required one more chart. Now I go to visualization part and select the stack bar chart. This is the stack bar chart. I want to display this chart top 3 unit show record. I want to display the product in y-axis and unit sold is x-axis. This is the top seller record, but I have required only 3 top unit sold record. Then select this chart, go to filtering part, and select this product. Filtering type, basic filter, advanced filter and top N. Now I use the top N function. I want to top 3 record, so I press this 3 in this area, and by value drag the unit column and press by value. Select the unit cell. Then I select the unit cell and paste here by value. Then select the apply filter. This is the top 10 record. Select this country-wise cell and format painter. Keep the same format in this cell. I want to change the column color. Go to format area, then bar, change this color green to blue. Now change this chart title, sum of units sold by product. Go to format, general, then title. I have changed this title, top 3 sales. My dashboard is completely ready. Thanks for watching my video. If this video is helpful to you, please subscribe, like and share my video with your friend and family member. Thank you once again.